Welcome back to Island Life Live. You know, the Hawai'i Film Alliance brings together film and television professionals, unions, and supporters from across the Pilina.
Now together they work to protect, strengthen, and grow Hawaii's media industry. And here to share about a special event that's coming up is Brian Wallace. He's one of our founding members of the Hawai'i Film Alliance. Aloha, brother. Mahalo for joining us right here at our hale.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
It's an honor.
All right, tell us a little bit about this special event that's coming up. Well, actually, before we get to that, tell us a little bit about what Hawai'i Film Alliance does and you know, the work that you folks are doing for our Hawaii.
Yeah, thank you for asking. I think our main goal is just to unite the Hawaii film industry. You know, we just need to come together and give everybody a seat at the table so that we can, you know, advocate for policies that can help our industry move forward and keep work here on the islands, you know, so people can make a living and, you know, just educate each other and organize.
You look so familiar. You was in Chief of War, bro.
Oh, no. I wish, but they keep me behind the camera. I just do lighting and camera assisting. I'm a grip.
You know, and I bring that up because, you know, Chief of War is bringing a lot of attention to Hawaii. We just had Lilo and Stitch, Disney's Lilo and Stitch also bringing attention to Hawaii. But if we're being honest, it really has been a challenging few past years. And it seems like our local industry is somewhat struggling. What are you guys doing to help kind of turn that around?
Yeah, you know, it has been a struggle over the years. We've had strikes, you know, we've had COVID, you know, so a lot of people are still like trying to get on their feet. And even though we had jobs like Lilo and Stitch and Chief of War, that's actually a very small percentage that is shot here. So I think HFA is trying our best to unite each other so we can educate each other, share the resources with each other, and just be active politically to put ourselves in the best position to advance our industry here.
Yeah, advocacy is definitely very important.
Yes.
And I think it would be good to let the film industry worldwide as a whole know that we have talent here in the islands.
Yes.
I think a lot of times they think that they can come here to shoot this beautiful place, but they have to bring their actors and they have to bring their production companies and they have to bring all these people here in order to get the job done. And I think HFA would be in a great position to tell people that no, we actually have talented people behind the cameras, in the production crews, as well as in front of the cameras too, right?
I think the world is seeing that, you know, with these current projects, like you said, Lilo and Stitch, like $1 billion, and then now Chief of War, like, I love this show, and it's trending big time. But like you said, those people, they don't need to bring their crews anymore. Like, but we're in the action as well as training the people up here. You know, what we need to do is train the people up here so that we're ready to meet that opportunity.
Gotcha.
You know, I cannot wait till season 2 of Chief of War. And to actually see the entire thing filmed in Hawaii, because there are some scenes you can tell it's from Aotearoa. Because we even watched the Stan Walker videos, music videos before, so we know they was filming over there. So I just kind of wait for it to be here, hopefully for season 2.
All right, and now part of this conversations, part of this preparing and getting ready for the training is about this first of its kind, Pilina, this meet and greet. Tell us about it, give us all the details.
Yeah, you know, Moani's came to us and they support our film industry and they said, can we help you guys? And we said, yeah, we want to throw up first meet and greet because part of our mission is bringing everybody to the table, right? And just having simple conversations. So this will give them the opportunity, whether you are part of the film industry or support the film industry, to come out, meet us, see what our mission is about. We're gonna have live music. We're gonna play Chief of War. I think it's episode 4. Moses Goods, who's one of the cast members out there. Yes, that's right. We'll be introducing our episode. And we got poo-poos hosted by Moani's and, you know, of course, drinks. And so come out, everybody's invited. You just have to sign up for our newsletter at hawaiifilmalliance.org. And then you can RSVP in the events tab as well.
So it's awesome. A free event as long as you are on as a newsletter.
Yep, that's all you got to do is go to our website and sign up for the newsletter.
Sis, we should go over there.
Audition. Yeah, you guys come.
We'll go audition for season 2 of Chief of War.
You never know.
Do you need somebody for help you with the grip?
Actually, you can carry sandbags.
Yes, he can. Look, his big muscles. All right. Brian Wallace right here with the Hawai'i Film Alliance. We cannot wait to see you folks at the Pilina meet and greet, brother. Mahalo nui for being here.
Yeah, come out. Thank you,
my brother. All right, break time once again. And today we are observing Financial Awareness Day. Look at that, credit, debt. Are you struggling right now with that? So this is the Yusuaka, my question for today. What was the average average American's credit card balance in the first quarter, so January, February, March of this year, 2025? Was it $460, $640, $4,600, or $6,400? Brian, what's your guess?
6,400.
Yeah, I go big. Let's go big, brother.
Okay,
let's go
see.
big or go home.
Judging on mine.
Speaking for a friend.
You guys right?
Yeah.
Big bucks, no whammies.
Yikes.
All whammies, no bucks, whatevers.